Hi guys! So in my last video where I shared my meaty, meatless Monday recipes, that was a good one, I noticed a lot of requests for my taco bowl recipe. I didn't realize I never shared my taco bowl. So in this video, I am going to share it. It is delicious, it's easy to make, you're going to want to eat it every single day. It's kind of spicy, it's got loads of guacamole, it's got a few different parts, so a lot of variation going on. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications because you really don't want to miss my videos in the future. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more recipes like this amazing, delicious, best ever taco bowl. So let's get started with our taco bowl. First, let's make the bean and corn salad. Dice red onion, red bell pepper, tomato, cilantro, and slice open a lime. Combine all of that in a mixing bowl with the corn. Then add red beans, lime juice, and salt. That's all. Let it sit a while so that all the flavors can marry. Next, let's make the salad dressing that will go on our crunchy lettuce. In a jar with a lid, add mustard, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, lime juice, cumin, and olive oil. Shake it until it's creamy. Next up, we're making our lentil taco meat. This lentil taco meat is made using black lentils and chopped walnuts. It is so meaty because the texture of those two things is just meaty magic, basically. Vegan meaty magic, of course. Make sure you like this video if you want to see more vegan meaty recipes made using wholesome ingredients like walnuts and lentils. Begin by sauteing a good amount of garlic. Then add chopped walnuts and stir well. Give those walnuts about 5 minutes to toast. Once the walnuts are fragrant, add cooked black lentils, diced tomato, chopped adobo peppers, oregano, cumin, and chipotle sauce. Stir well, add salt, and cook for about 10 minutes. Finally, we'll make the guacamole. Chop red onion, cilantro, and jalapeno pepper. Scoop the flesh of 2 to 3 avocados into a mortar. Then add the onion, cilantro, and jalapeno pepper, plus juice of 1 lime. Add salt and then mash. I like to get it started with a fork and then switch to the pestle. And now we make our bowl. Pour some dressing onto chopped romaine lettuce and give it a little massage. Add your brown rice, bean salad, lentil taco meat, tortilla chips, and a generous helping of guacamole because you deserve it. Perfection in a bowl. Enjoy! So like I said, this taco bowl is the best taco bowl you are ever going to have, and like I just showed you, it's really quite easy to make. So as soon as this video is off, make sure you go to the grocery store, get everything you need to make it, and get started. And make sure take photos, tag me on Instagram at Sweet Potato Soul because I want to see everything you guys are making. And I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. I'm sure you will, so I don't have to hope too hard. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!